Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add lighting to any image. Now here I have a picture of a park and I'm going to make it nighttime and I'm going to add some light to my light post. So to do this, have my image layer on the first layer. I'm going to go to the adjustments icon and I'm going to select color lookup. Now here on the properties panel, there is a drop down box where it says load 3D LUT. You have several options as to how you want your background to look. Now for this one, I'm going to choose night from day. As you can see there, it changed it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new layer. Now on this new layer, on the drop down box where it says normal, I'm going to select color dodge and I'm going to double click on that layer and I'm going to deselect transparency shapes layer. Make sure that your foreground colors are set to black and white. Go to your brush tool and you can go ahead and adjust your brush tool to your liking. For this example, I'm going to use a soft round brush and I'm going to leave the flow to about 4%. Then I'm going to start coloring inside of my light post. Once you're finished painting your light post, make a new layer, and this time on the new layer, go ahead and change on the drop down box, select overlay. Then go back to your brush tool and make your brush tool a little bit bigger and use the soft round brush for this. Then just go ahead and color around the light post just to make it look a little bit more realistic. And as you can see, it's starting to look like there's a little bit more glare around the sides of the light. And that's all there is to it. See, look, here is the before and here's the after. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.